Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to add close friends on the Instagram app using your PC, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you can easily manage your close friends list right from your computer. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. If you haven't updated to the latest version, make sure you do that to access all the newest features. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Find the one labeled More. It's usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on that icon to expand your options. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open up a new window where you can manage different aspects of your Instagram account. Scroll through the Settings menu until you find the option called Close Friends. Click on it to open your Close Friends management page. Now comes the fun part, choosing who you want to add. You'll see a list of all your Instagram friends. Simply go through the list and click on the names of the people you want to add to your close friends. You can select as many as you like, and if you change your mind later, you can always come back and update your list. Once you're happy with your selection, there's usually a confirmation button at the bottom of the page. Click it to save your changes. That's it. Your close friends list is now updated, and only those people will see the stories you share with close friends. This new update makes it easier than ever to manage your close friends directly from your PC, giving you more control and flexibility over your Instagram experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for getting the most out of your favorite social media platforms. Thanks for watching.